Welcome! In front of me I have INFINIX Xwatch 3 GT, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, you can open the menu by swiping right on the screen, like this. Now scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called low power mode, and once you find it, you will see the switch next to it. And to enable the power saving mode, you need to press on that switch, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the low power mode will be enabled. You will see that the screen got a lot dimmer, and if you go back to watch face, let's see if there's any change. Yeah, it also changes the watch face, basically how it's displayed. Or maybe it doesn't change the watch face, but yeah, the screen is a lot dimmer, so you can't really see that the watch face changed. Anyway, to turn off the mode, you can open the settings again, tap on the icon of course, then find the low power mode and tap on the switch to disable the mode. And then you can press the middle button again to go back to watch face. You can also enable and disable the mode through the quick panel. So if you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can swipe down from the top of the screen. Here we have a bunch of icons, and one of them looks like the battery icon. And you can tap on this icon to enable the mode. You can tell that the mode is enabled by the icon getting highlighted. And if you want to disable the mode, you can tap on the icon again like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.